In this video, I'll show you how to print an enlarged image across multiple pages using Microsoft Word. This method is perfect for creating posters, banners, or large visuals using a regular printer. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word. From the top menu, click on the Layout tab. Inside the Layout options, select Margins, then choose the Narrow setting. This gives you more space on each page for your image. Next, go back to the top menu and click Insert. Select Pictures, then choose This Device and upload the image you want to enlarge from your computer. Once the image is inserted into your document, right-click on it and select Wrap Text. From the side menu, choose Behind Text. This allows you to freely resize and position the image without it being restricted by text formatting. Now, double-click the image to open the picture format options. Look for the Size section in the toolbar. Here, you can manually adjust the height and width of the image to fit your poster size. For example, if you want to create a 4-page poster, set the height to 22 inches and the width to 17 inches. As you resize the image, you'll see it spread across multiple pages in your document. When you're ready to print, click File in the top left corner and select Print, or simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Choose your printer, review the print preview, and then print your poster. And that's it. You've successfully enlarged and printed an image across multiple pages in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.